I am from Dastakar, and I have been working with Daska from last 25 years. And this is the first time we are doing this event over here. This event, Dastakari Bazaar, is starting from. It has just started today, which is from 4 to 12, and it will continue for 9 days. We will be having 2 weekends, so all of you can easily come and see the bazaar. This Chennai Bazaar we have been holding from last 12 years, over 12 years in fact, but various places. This is the first time we are doing it in YMCA grounds, Koti Vakkam, Boys Town. So please do visit here. And in fact, this is our biggest bazaar ever we have done in Chennai. We have over 120 different stalls, craft stalls, coming from almost like 18 different states. So you can imagine all kind of craft. You will see and you will find here from garments, textiles, bags, decoratives, glass, pottery, furniture, everything is here. And the best part is you must have seen various bazaars in Chennai, but people do claim it's a authentic craft, but you will not actually find authentic craft in other exhibition as we have been putting it and bringing it in the market. In fact, people are using our names. When while we are not here, they are saying Daska Bazaar because Daska has created such a reputation that now people want to follow the same path, but in a different way. We have a lot of things you could see behind me. A lot of fiber products are there, which are sustainable. Bags in jute, sabai, cane, bamboo, reed. Lot of materials are there, which in any case you won't find it in your city. Please do visit and encourage these people who are coming from all the way from different places, different states, just to showcase their craft, which in any case are somewhere going to extend in the younger generation, in the future generation. People will not see it if we won't encourage it. So please, your visit is important, and to encourage these people, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Price wise, see, in any case everything is handmade, and handmade things are slightly pricey. But when you understand why this is pricey, people coming from all the way from different places putting lot of effort. It's not only one person who is making it and selling it. There's a complete process behind it, and several people are employed because of this. And obviously when so many people are employed, so money goes to everyone, and that's how the cost will also get slightly increased. Don't compare it with the machine, it's all handmade.
Totally, how much stalls here and
We have around 120 stalls, 120 craft stalls are there, and different crafts are there.
so what are the timings?
It's 11 to 8 p.m. The objective of starting Daskar was to link the rural craftspeople with the urban market. And it's not that only we are doing bazaars and giving them market, but we also work with them because uh, there are so many things which they don't understand. They don't know what the urban market needs it. So those needs, we address those needs and work with them, guide them. We give them different designs, product development, various inputs we give, and then finally the market where they could test market whatever new designs and products they have made. And we constantly guide them how to link what the urban market requires, how to do the display, how to do the packaging, what kind of colors they should be putting. So it's a constant effort and work which has been going. We have done several projects with several clusters, and there are a few. Sandur is one of them from Karnataka who is here. Ranthamore is one of them who they are also here. The Ranthamore was started long back. It was our first project when we started in 1981. It started in 85 when the Tiger Sanctuary was, the villagers over the Tiger Sanctuary was replaced, and they need to provide some livelihood program for them or some opportunity for them. So that time it was foundation actually approached Daskar, and we initiated the project. The interesting part is there was no traditional skill as such, but within their own community, whatever they were little doing, with that only we started this project, and we made tiger as the main theme for them, and tiger has become their USP now. Every product and everything inspired from the tiger footprints, whether tiger stripes or whatever. So tiger becomes their identity. And now after 25 years, they have started their own thing and have sustained themselves and become established. So now they are running as an independent organization. So similarly, we have many successful projects. Our chairperson is Padma Shri awarded and is one of the founder member also. We, along with the craft stalls, we also have demonstrations, live demonstration where people are actually demonstrating their work, so that the generation over here and people who are not aware how the weaving has happened, the reweaves, everything is being done over here, and they are demonstrating their skills. Shola peat flowers, many people doesn't know what is actually shola peat. He will explain what is shola peat, how the flowers has been made. So that demonstration is going on. And also there's another one, lag bangle, not sorry, glass bangles. They're demonstrating that glass bangle. And we have chow dancers coming from Jharkhand. They'll be performing soon. It's only for the weekend, so please come and enjoy them. Making out of waste and recycled materials. And over to her, she will explain you more about the thing.
வணக்கம், என் பேர் ஹேமா ஜெயின். நான் இப்போது முதல் தடவையாக தஸ்த்காருக்கு வந்திருக்கேன். தஸ்த்கார் 12 வருஷமாக சென்னையில் நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு. இங்கே 18 மாநிலங்கள்லேருந்து பல விதமான கைவினை பொருட்கள் செய்கிறவங்க வராங்க. மூங்கில், மர வேலைப்பாடு, செம்பு, அப்புறம் இயற்கை சாயம், இயற்கை துணிமணி, இந்த மாதிரி பல விதமான கலைஞர்கள் அவங்கவுங்க பொருட்களை இங்கே கொண்டு வந்து விற்கிறாங்க. இது எல்லாம் உங்களுடைய ஆதரவு இல்லாமல் நடக்கவே முடியாது. சிறு தொழிலில் நம்ம எல்லாரும் கலந்துக்கிட்டால் தான் இதை ஊக்குவிக்க முடியும். ஸோ நீங்கள்லாம் கண்டிப்பாக வரணும். 120 பேர் பல இடத்துலேருந்து சென்னையில் வந்து ஸ்டால் போட்டிருக்காங்க. நீங்கள் வந்து ஆதரிக்கணும். இங்கே லைவ் டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நீங்கள் வந்து பார்க்கலாம். கண்ணாடி வளையல் எப்படி செய்கிறாங்க, அப்புறம் தறி எப்படி நெய்கிறாங்க, அப்புறம் ஒரு கல்கத்தாலேருந்து வந்து இயற்கையாக ஒரு தண்டுலேருந்து எப்படி ஒரு பூ டெக்கரேஷன் பண்ணுறது, இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி காட்டுறாங்க. நீங்கள் வந்து பார்க்கலாம், கற்றுக்கலாம். அப்புறம் இங்கே ஜார்க்கண்ட்லேருந்து வந்து நடக்கிற ஒரு நடனம் இருக்குது. இதெல்லாம் பாரம்பரிய முறையில் நடக்கிற விஷயங்கள். நீங்கள் வந்து பார்க்கணும், ஆதரிக்கணும். தேங்க்யூ.